What's going on, dudes and dudettes? This is Sidney Cumbie, and I'm over here in the makeup dungeon with yet another makeup video. So this video is a demon. It was a full chest piece, face, ears, and like a chin. A really fun makeup. Another sort of challenge. I wanted to challenge myself because in a lot of my videos what I do is undertones. I'll do a base and then I'll do flesh over that. With this I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do flesh and then I'll just airbrush the rest. And well, look, either way it works. You know, if you think doing undertones works for you, or if you think just going up and painting with airbrush works for you, either way is fine. I just wanted to show you guys in this video that you can do either way. And that said, I actually really like how I did this makeup, even though I sort of was like, maybe I'll do a green or maybe I'll do this. And I wanted to do a demon that was different, not you know, the rest of the demons that I've done before. So yeah, I think it came out pretty darn cool. My model is Gordon Tarpley. Of course, all these prosthetics are RBFX prosthetics. I used all Bdellium tools brushes in this. I used Mel Products paint to seal everything on this, because with foam latex you have to seal the foam before you can paint it with alcohol colors, watercolors, cream colors, anything like that. You want to seal it, and I sealed it with Mel Products. Anything else? I also used 9mm SFX lenses, because 9mm lenses are really great. So make sure you guys go check out 9mm lenses, because I use them in almost every single makeup because I have a whole bunch of them. Let's see, that said, there's really nothing else. All EBA, European Body Art, airbrush colors. I think I used some Nye Cream. I'll try to list this stuff down below, guys, but there's no voiceover. I just want you guys to watch it and ask me questions. If there's something you see in this video and you need to know how I did it, or why I did it, or this or that or this, let me know and I'll try to tell you. But until I do another video, let me know what you think about this channel. Subscribe, do all the cool stuff that I want you to do, because most of these videos are demonetized because of YouTube thinks that I'm not monetizable. So that's cool, but whatever. I try to do these videos for you guys, and I will catch you later. Bye.